Today, we're going to talk about a powerful problem-solving tool. A tool that even the brilliant physicist Richard Feynman used to tackle some of the most complex ideas in science. We're talking about Feynman techniques. Now, you might be thinking, Feynman sounds complicated. But trust me, it's actually quite simple. And you can use it for anything you're trying to learn, not just physics. What are Feynman techniques? They're essentially a four-step process for learning and understanding something deeply. Think of it as a way to break down a big, scary monster of a topic into smaller, more manageable pieces. Step 1. You choose a concept and start studying. First, pick the topic you want to learn. It could be anything: photosynthesis, the causes of the Philippine Revolution, how to solve a quadratic equation, anything. Then, start studying it. Read your textbook, watch videos, take notes, and do whatever helps you learn. Step 2. Teach it to a child or someone who doesn't know about it. This is the crucial step. Imagine you're explaining the concept to a younger sibling, a friend who's never heard of it, or even your parents. Try to explain it in the simplest, most straightforward language possible. No jargon, no complicated terms, just plain, easy-to-understand explanations. If you find yourself using a lot of technical terms, that's a sign you don't understand it as well as you think. Step 3. Identify gaps and go back to the source material. As you try to explain, you'll probably stumble. You might find yourself saying a lot, or realizing you don't quite understand a certain part. That's okay. This is where you go back to your textbook, your notes, or your teacher and review the areas where you're struggling. Fill in the gaps in your knowledge. Step 4. Simplify and use analogies. Once you've filled in the gaps, try explaining the concept again. This time, focus on simplifying your explanation even further. Use analogies and examples to make the concept more relatable. For instance, instead of talking about electron flow, you could say, think of electrons like water flowing through a pipe. The goal is to make the complex simple and memorable. Why does this work? Active recall. Teaching someone else forces you to actively recall information, which is much more effective than passively reading or listening. Identifying gaps. Trying to explain something forces you to identify the areas where you're weak, so you know where to focus your studying. Simplifying complexity. By breaking down complex concepts into simpler terms and analogies, you gain a deeper understanding of the material. The Feynman techniques are a powerful tool for learning and understanding. It's not just about memorizing facts, it's about truly grasping the concepts. So, the next time you're struggling with a difficult topic, try using the Feynman techniques. You might be surprised at how much you learn.